Hey guys, I'm gonna show you how to fix if you can't find ads you've seen on YouTube. So to start, load up YouTube app first. Now once opened, click your profile picture at the bottom right. Now in here, what you need to do next is to click the gear icon at the top right. So click on settings. Once you're in settings, just scroll down on their account and go to manage all history. And in here, what you need to do is to scroll down, and this is where you can see all of your ads that you've seen on YouTube. So, for example, I'm going to click this one right here. I'm going to click the play button. So, this was the ad I've seen before. I'm going to close that and scroll down and look for another one in here. So, for example, this one, it's a game ad. So, I'm going to click the play button.
Oh no, I froze. I'm as hard as a rock. Nice, we were able to enclose us, so now we're warm. Okay, we
And
unfroze.
there you go. And that's basically it. That's how you can find ads you've seen on YouTube. So again, just click your profile picture at the bottom right. Then go to the gear icon settings. Then go to manage all history. Scroll down and that's it. So I hope you found this helpful. Thanks for watching.